Hi guys, welcome to Gali Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to make money using other people's content on Facebook. The steps are easy. This video you will require two apps, which are CapCut and S Recorder. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store or App Store, depending on the device you're using, and download these two apps. CapCut, I have CapCut here, and then your S Recorder. Okay, this is my X recorder here. So the next thing I have to do is open my X recorder. On my X recorder always brings out advert. Just what you have to do is to cancel the advert and continue with what you are doing. So the next thing I have to do is to tap on my settings. You see it brings out advert. Just cancel the advert. Okay. Then now tap on your audio settings. On your audio settings, tap on internal audio. Then you can now open the settings, allow the permission so that you have you'll be able to have access to it. Okay. Then now go out from here. Make sure that the sound is 0%. Then your microphone should be 200%. Then go out from this place. Go back to your home page of your X recorder. Tap on camera. Now go out from your camera. Then out from your camera, go to the video that you wish you downloaded for this. I will not be downloading video in order not to or disobey the rules of YouTube. So what I have to do is tap on my download and then select any of the video that I wish to use. You can download, but me, I cannot download now because of this app. I can't download direct because I'm working on it. So just select the video that you wish to. Let me see my video. Okay, let me go with this. So now what I have to do is to make sure that my recorder is turned on. You make sure that your recorder is turned on by tap on starting. Okay, then the next thing you have to do is to come to your CapCut. This is the interface of my CapCut. Then tap on new projects, select the video. Make sure that your recorder is turned on this way. Then on CapCut, what we do on CapCut is to make sure that we edit the video. So what we'll do here is to increase the volume, adjust it, add colors, the background color that you wish to add. So these are the menu for it. Adjusting. If you are adjusting, you make sure that it is up to 40. Tap on sharpen to sharpen the video. Then tap on make sure it's up to 40, 38, 39 is allowed. Then now the next thing you have to do is to tap on your resolution. Make sure it's up to 2K/4K. Then you can add background color. You can add background color of your choice if you wish to add background color. Okay. Then the next thing you have to do here is to you can increase the volume by tapping on the video itself. Then scroll the menu, you see the volume there. Make sure so the next thing we have to do is if you want to export it to your gallery, you just have to tap on the export here. When you tap on this export here, it will export it to your gallery. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. So after exporting it to your gallery, you can now take it, post it on your Facebook as your own content. That's you will not be disobeying Facebook policy, and your channel, your Facebook will also grow very well. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell and the subscription button to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.